What's up guys, UK Fingerboarder here, and I've got an unboxing, and I got this from eBay. I was just looking around for ramps and different kind of obstacle things to try, and I came across this, and it took 2 days shipping, so that's quite good, and it is from Yorkshire, so let's have a look. I did open it when I got in because I wasn't too sure what it was, but now I know what it is. I'm going to show you guys, and yeah, I'm going to get into it. So this cellopane's really peeled, so I can do it myself. Oh, it's so nice, man. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. And it is shocking for the obstacle, which is pretty neat. There's the open up seat there. And now, I need to pull the seat forward like this. So that's pretty sweet. One second guys. Yeah, well, yeah, it was quite good wrapped as well. Yeah, you got the handlebar. Got it in red. You had a choice of black, blue, or red, but I thought I'd get it in red because you know it's more of a shopping cart kind of car. Yeah, it's not so bad. I haven't seshed with it or anything yet, so this will be in quite a few of my videos. But yeah, I'm going to stand it up like that. Yeah, it is quite, it does move a fair bit, but once you put some sellotape or non-style sliders or whatever you have on it, then yeah, it might move I suppose, but if I put it on my phone for a second. But yeah, well, that's about it for this unboxing, guys. Oh yeah, I paid it was $2.99 with it was $1.99 with 99p shipping. So that's quite good for the price I paid for it, really. Can't really mind. But yeah, it's quite a good obstacle, and even if you don't want to use it as an obstacle, it's quite a good prop for like a park or something. So yeah, so that enough, I'll get distracted now. There will be quite a few unboxings on my channel, because I've ordered quite a few things, and I got them fairly cheap, so it's quite good for what products they are, and I know you guys will be interested in seeing what they are. I'm not going to say what they are, but one of the packages comes from Pitch Fingerboarding, So yeah, guys, this has been very good for my part, and I'll probably upload a session skating this. So yeah, it should be good. Like, subscribe, and yeah, just do your stuff really. Keep supporting, and hopefully I'll be arranging to meet up with someone soon and do like a collab video or something. But yeah, so I would advise getting this for a prop for your park or as an obstacle. They both work really well. But yeah, guys, it's entirely up to you, but I recommend it. So yeah, do stuff, like, subscribe, like I said that, but yeah, and I'll be doing some competitions and maybe a giveaway. I'm not too sure yet, depends really. But stay tuned for that, and the more of you that subscribe, the more of you get entered in competitions and giveaways and things.